This tutorial is just going to be showing you the settings that we are going to be using for Drafting 10 and to make sure that it's set that way on your computer. I'll just get rid of anything on my screen right now. This is just our default drawing. You should have several different construction layers. You don't necessarily have to have one named center and one named hidden, but you should have several different colors, including your white object layer. The menus I typically like to have on for this class are Dimension, Draw, Inquiry, Layers, Modify, Properties, and Viewports. So make sure that you have those menus selected. With regard to some of our other settings, I typically turn Snap off, Grid off, Ortho off. For polar tracking, right-click, go to Settings. Polar tracking should be on, and I typically recommend using an increment angle of 10 degrees, or 15 degrees, sorry. Some people change this, make it 30. I like to use 15 because it makes it easy to get to 30-degree angles, 45-degree angles, 135-degree angles. It's a handy number. Your object snap tracking should be snap orthogonally only, and your polar angle measurement should say absolute. Click OK. Next is OSnap, which is short for object snap. Right-click, Settings. I like to have these snaps turned on: endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, extension, perpendicular, it can be on or off, and apparent intersection. I typically have object snap tracking on and line weight turned on.